A question that is often asked by people who are just beginning to set up their myCNC software for their machine is how to remove the machine position lost due to either emergency stop or server alarm pop-up window that pops up every time you open myCNC software. And the answer is that this is done through Software PLC, which can be found in our main menu, our settings, our PLC, Software PLC, and then we navigate right here to the homing handler. This homing handler is the PLC procedure that runs a constant monitoring of our homing flags. And to disable that, or at least to temporarily disable that, before we will begin to set up our homing, we can simply add a line that says exit, open bracket, 99, close bracket, semicolon. And then we can press save all and build all buttons. So what this does is, before any of this code right here is executed, the program will automatically stop running because the exit command is right here. So next, in order to set up our flags for homing, we can go into the macro list, M138, and here we have our homing flags and our homing procedures. The process of setting up these flags and these homing procedures is described in the homing manual, which I will be linking, and in the homing manual video which accompanies it, which will also be in the video description. Thank you for watching. Please visit the documentation website at docs.pvautomation.com for more information.